Like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
SA records 5,398 new COVID cases, ahead of mask mandate ending. South Australia has recorded a surge in COVID hospitalisations and cases, but the overall number of active cases continues to drop. There were 5,398 new cases of COVID-19 today, 412 more than recorded yesterday. A man in his 70s, who tested positive for the virus, has died. The number of people with COVID-19 in hospital has risen to 238, an increase of 18 from yesterday. There are 11 people in intensive care, including one person on a ventilator. There are now 33,699 active cases in the state. Mandatory masks, COVID Marshals and QR code check-ins will disappear from most SA venues from midnight. Masks will only be required in high-risk settings such as hospitals, as well as on public transport and in ride-sharing vehicles. Under new changes announced today, COVID Marshals will only be required for businesses with a COVID management plan for 1,000 people or more. COVID Marshals, staff assigned to apply COVID directions and restrictions, have been required at most businesses and events. Premier Peter Malinauskas said the decision to drop the requirement was made by the government in consultation with State Emergency Coordinator Grant Stevens and Chief Public Health Officer Nicola Spurrier. In effect, this means pubs, cafes, shops and the like will no longer need a COVID marshal, he said. With the progressive removal of the requirement for masks, QR codes and density restrictions, there is no longer a need for COVID marshals. This will help remove yet another burden on SA small businesses. Posted 23 hours ago, updated 23 hours ago.